Hey moms, struggling with breastfeeding? Don't worry. Here are some quick tips to help make your journey easier. Tip 01. Make sure your baby is latching correctly. A good latch means baby's mouth is wide open and covering most of the areola, not just the nipple. This prevents pain and helps milk flow properly. Tip 2. Sit in a relaxed position with back support. Try different holds like cradle, cross cradle, or football hold. Whatever works best for you and your baby. Tip 3. Drink plenty of water and keep your breasts clean. Wash hands before feeding and avoid using harsh soaps on the nipple. Breastfeeding is a journey. Be patient and kind to yourself. Like and follow for more.